Hello everyone, this is the EVS class for Standard 4. We were doing chapter 18, Birds, Beaks and Claws. As you know, different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks, as we learned in previous video. Similarly, they have different kinds of toes and claws. So in this module, we will learn about different types of toes and claws and how birds use their toes and claws. Let us understand. So let's have a look. Different kinds of feet and claws. Different birds have different habits, and so their feet and claws also differ in shape and size. Birds like the crow, sparrow, myna, and thrush can hold the branches of the trees firmly even while sleeping. Such birds are called perching birds. They have long and slender claws with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Now, types of birds. Climbing birds like the parrot and woodpecker have 2 toes pointing upward and 2 downwards. Climbing birds can cling to the bark of trees. Preying birds like the eagle, hawk, and owl have strong, sharp claws. These claws help them catch and hold their prey firmly and then carry it away. Running or scratching birds like chickens use their sharp horny claws to scratch the earth for seeds and worms. I'm sure you have seen chickens scratching the soil and wondering why. Well, now you know. So, these birds have strong feet with 3 long toes in front and a short hind toe. Male chickens like cocks or roosters have spine-like spur above each foot. Now, wading birds like the stork, heron, and the crane have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. These toes keep the feet from sinking in the soft mud. Swimming birds, like the duck, have special webs of skin between each of their toes. These work like paddles and help the birds to swim easily. A pin-tailed duck swims with its webbed feet. Running bird. The ostrich is a running bird. It cannot fly, so it is called flightless bird. It has very long and strong legs for running. It is the only bird that has only 2 toes on each foot. Is it interesting how all these birds use their toes and claws differently? Now your homework is read the sentences and name the birds. Use the help box. Also write one use of each type of feet.